Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase item from the honeybee merchant. So press talk here. I'm the honey merchant, and then you can purchase stuff from the shops, but as you can see, you will need to purchase it using honey pots. So you will need to have a queen bee, or like the bee who can give the pollinated mutation to your plants. I only have one, so this is the pollinated plant. You're just going to select talk here, and then you are going to select take all my plants if you have a lot, or just take this plant if you only have one like me. And it's going to give you 10, it's going to give you some honey pots according to the size of your plant, I guess. I'm not actually sure. So then once you've gotten your honey pots, you can show me the shop and you can now purchase items from there if it's enough. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!